Emergency communication for beginners, staying in touch when it matters. When disaster strikes, communication is essential. In today's video, I'll guide you through the basics of emergency communication, so you're never left disconnected. First, start with a plan. Create a family communication strategy, including emergency contact numbers and a designated meeting point. Ensure everyone knows the plan. Next, invest in reliable communication tools. Two-way radios are affordable and effective for short-range communication. Consider adding a hand crank or solar-powered emergency radio to stay updated on weather alerts. For more advanced preppers, ham radios are a game changer. They offer long-range communication and can connect you with local networks. Many ham radio models are beginner-friendly and cost-effective. Don't forget to include backup power options, such as portable chargers or extra batteries, to keep your devices operational. Lastly, practice using your tools. Test your radios, learn basic codes, and ensure your family knows how to use the equipment. With these tools and a solid plan, you can stay connected and informed, no matter what life throws at you. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.